What's up, guys? I am here today to introduce you to a fun new product at Fenty Skin. This is Cookies and Clean. It's a detoxifying face mask. One of my new favorites, actually, because it's so unique, and I'm about to show you why. Ooh, look how bouncy. This mask can be applied on wet or dry skin. Wipe it, wipe it. Here's the fun part. Watch how these charcoal beads just dissolve and burst and mix in with the entire mask. The clay extracts all of the dirt and the oil, and the charcoal detoxifies and absorbs all the impurities that are deep in your pores. I like to use this about twice a week. I just leave this on 10-15 minutes and let it do its thing. And now we rinse. Done. Marvelous. Ooh, you can't even feel that, but that is really the difference right there. Impeccable. And you know what? It's fragrance free. I know you're gonna love that. All right, that's it, everyone, for Cookies and Clean. Try it and let me know what you think about it, and tag me at Fenty Skin.